The benefits of a whole food, plant-based diet. Hello everyone. Once again bring you greetings from us to all great women in the world. This is What Women Want channel, where we talk anything and everything about women's health. There are several major benefits to moving to plant-based nutrition. All benefits include: reduces heart disease risk, tames inflammation, lowers diabetes, helps you maintain a healthy weight, reduces cancer risk, lowers cholesterol, keeps you young, protects your brain, protects the environment. In other words, the more plants you eat, the better.